Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a cleaning tool that's been going viral for how effective and portable it is. The BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, in the gorgeous limited edition Dusk Pink color. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just want to keep your home fresh and spotless, this might be the cleaning gadget you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about design. The BISSELL Little Green is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around the house. It's built with portability in mind, so you can use it on carpets, stairs, furniture, car seats, and even rugs without hassle. And let's be honest, this Dusk Pink limited edition gives it a stylish edge. It's not just functional, it looks great too. Now, performance is where this little machine shines. It comes with BISSELL's professional spot and stain plus oxy formula, designed to break down tough messes and odors. Spilled coffee? Pet accidents? Muddy footprints? This cleaner gets deep into the fabric and lifts it right out. The suction power is strong for its size, which means your carpets and upholstery don't just get surface level cleaning, they get a true deep clean. What I love about this cleaner is how user-friendly it is. The setup is simple. Fill the tank with water and formula, turn it on, and you're ready to go. The nozzle sprays solution directly on the stain, and the suction immediately lifts it up. And when you're done, the dirty water tank is easy to remove and rinse out. No mess, no stress. This machine is super versatile. It's not just for carpets, you can use it on couches, chairs, car interiors, mattresses, and more. If you've got pets, this is a lifesaver. Pet hair, paw prints, and accidents don't stand a chance. And because it's portable, you can store it easily in a closet and pull it out whenever you need a quick deep clean. So, who should get this? If you're a pet parent, have kids at home, or just want a reliable way to keep your furniture and carpets spotless, the BISSELL Little Green is worth every penny. It's affordable, convenient, and does the job of much larger, bulkier machines without taking up space. So that's the BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, limited edition Dusk Pink. Compact design, powerful cleaning, easy to use, and versatile enough for almost any surface in your home. If you're tired of scrubbing stains by hand, this is the upgrade you need. Check out the link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.